Determine the number of moles of water of crystallization in a crystalline salt. We shall determine the number of moles of water of crystallization per mole of crystalline salt. We use blue copper sulfate crystals for this experiment. A clean and dry crucible is taken, and its mass measured on a mass meter. Then a small quantity of blue copper sulfate crystals is added to the crucible until it is half full, and the mass measured again. The difference gives the mass of copper sulfate crystals. Mass of blue copper sulfate crystals, 21,263 gram minus 12,376 gram equals 8,887 gram. The crucible containing the crystals is now placed in a clay triangle, which is then held in place over a Bunsen burner. The crucible is heated over a gentle flame for about 10 minutes, until all the water has evaporated from the copper sulfate. When the crystals change colour to a white powder, the burner is turned off, and the crucible is moved into a desiccator to cool. The white powder is anhydrous copper sulfate. The desiccator allows the crucible to cool in a dry environment that has almost no water vapour in the air. When the crucible is cool, the mass of the crucible and its contents are measured again. The difference between the new mass and the mass of the empty crucible gives the mass of anhydrous copper sulfate. Mass of anhydrous copper sulfate crystals equals 18,055 gram minus 12,376 gram equals 5,679 gram. The difference in mass between the blue copper sulfate and the anhydrous copper sulfate gives the mass of the water lost from the hydrate being heated. Mass of water lost from hydrate equals 8,887 minus 5,679 equals 3,208 gram. We can use the relationship N equals m over m to find the number of moles of water and the number of moles of anhydrous copper sulfate. Therefore, the number of moles of water of crystallization in blue copper sulfate is 5. Note that the number must be a whole number. The decimal number is due to error in measurement and rounding off in our calculations.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with maskitv.